I normally only wear designer and streetwear clothes, but today I'm gonna be rebuilding my entire wardrobe using the TikTok shop, and I only have this $100 to spend. But yeah, I don't have it anymore because I just spent it. And to really put the TikTok shop fits to the test, I'm gonna be picking out the best possible pieces that I can find, taking professional pictures, and after that, posting them on my Instagram and trying to bag a shorty in this fit. This is my closet. I'm not gonna lie, it's we're not even gonna talk about that. But yeah, it's a little messy. So normally I'm spending like almost $100 to $200 on a hoodie, $200 to $300 on some jeans. Now, if we go Amiri, these are $1,000 right here. And then let's just get a little closer into, the Balenciagas right there. Those are also $1,000. But today I'm limiting myself to only the TikTok shop, and hopefully they have some fire pieces, bro, because whatever we're about to pick up right now kind of sounds like a terrible idea. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't know how long they're gonna take to ship. The rep that TikTok shop has is literally horrible. Shipping times, terrible. Quality of the clothes, buns, and a whole lot more, but we'll save that for later. All right, so we're on the TikTok shop right now. Got my iPad right here. Now I just need to find some clothes. I don't even know how to get on the TikTok shop, so I'm just gonna type streetwear clothes. All right, shop, let's see what pops up. Oh, I ain't even gonna lie, yo, this hoodie right here, the first hoodie, bro, this hoodie right here is tough, and it's only $8. But then again, I feel like, what if I order this and I don't even receive the hoodie? So let's just keep on scrolling and see what we can find. I'm not gonna lie, I'm seeing some shirts, like this shirt right here, the Doughboy Boys in the Hood, $30. That's pretty fire, I'm not gonna lie, but $30, bro, we only have a $100 budget. So what I think I'm gonna have to do is we're gonna have to be like super specific on what I'm trying to get. So I don't know if I'm the only one that does this, but I like to start with the shoes, then go to the pants, and then go to the top. Let's just see what shoes they got on here. All right, let's see what they got. Oh, they got some Yeezys. That's like the entire price. We got some Mason Maharas right there. We got Ricks. I ain't gonna lie, I might go with the Ricks because the Ricks are looking like the most promising right now. Ain't no way they got Dior's, bro. What is this? Dior's, that's crazy. Yo, they got the fake Louis Vuitton. They got the Louis Vuitton. All right, so to keep it simple, I think I'm gonna just go with the low top Ricks because remember, guys, we have to bag a shorty with whatever fit we pick, bro. So this fit has to be good. I can't pick no fit that's bun. So we got the Ricks right here. They are $32 to $35. Let me go ahead and pick my size. Let's see. I don't know what is the difference between these two. So they jet black and then black. I'm gonna just go with the normal black one, and then we gotta pick our size. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get a size 43. All right, let's go ahead and get these Ricks in the cart. We got our size selected and everything, and let's see what price we are at right now. Hold on, save $10, bro. $22. So we just got these Ricks for $22. Yo, hold on. These are mad tough. These are mad tough, bro. So we got the, like some jorts with like rhinestones on them. I hope the quality is gonna be good. I'm not gonna lie. Look here, oh no. All right, so I'm gonna get like probably two pairs of pants or sweatpants. I'm gonna get 2 shirts, but we're set on the Ricks for sure. So let me go ahead and add these to the cart. Let me make sure I get the right size. They are jorts, so I think I'm gonna get like a medium. It really doesn't say the size on how they work, so I'm gonna get those. Keep on scrolling. Let's see what we got. Yo, hold on. These are fire too. So we got these like rhinestone sweats. I ain't gonna lie, they might be boo-boo quality. They look kind of weird, but we gonna go ahead and add these to the cart too. But so I'm gonna get a size small for these because I don't know, I think that's probably what's gonna fit. But we got those out the way. Now we gotta find some tops, and I think the way I'm gonna find some tops, I'm just gonna type streetwear tops for men. Perfect. All right, let's see, what do we have here? I'm seeing some decent pieces. We got, is that Young Thug? Who is this? This piece looks pretty promising, but I don't know. We might not get it. Yo, hold on. Perfect. Right here. This is the perfect one, bro. I ain't gonna lie, man. I do. Y'all see what the shirt say? I do. So we gonna get this, and I think I'm gonna get it in like is it kind of bad that I don't know my size in China clothes? I'm gonna just get a medium. I like my shirts to fit though. I'm gonna just get a medium. But let's see, what is the price that we are at right now? We are at $65, so we can still get some more stuff. I ain't gonna lie. Maybe an accessory or something. We could put in like another shirt. Let's see if we can find another shirt. We got fly rich, who cares, get some money. I like that. Let's see. My whole thing right now is there's a possibility that I can order all of this stuff right now and I won't receive a goddamn thing. So I just need y'all boys to pray for me right now, bro. Just please pray for me in the comments. Just pray we receive this stuff, because I'm about to spend $100 on TikTok shop, bro, on stuff that I don't even know if I'm gonna get.
1 week later.
All right, y'all, it's been about a week and right now we have 2 out of 3 of the packages. I basically just wanted to give y'all a little update. We're gonna go ahead and open up those 2 packages that we have right now, starting with the smaller one. I think y'all already know what this one is. The best piece is like arriving last, bro, which is, I'm kind of like, okay, I ain't even gonna lie, I'm also gonna try it on. I'm gonna try it on right now. I'm not gonna lie, the quality is good, bro. It's not even like, this is cotton. And this one right here, I'm actually super excited about, bro, because I think y'all might know what's in here. Like, I'm gonna just give y'all y'all can see right here, bro. If I'm holding it like this, so break this open. We got the Rickies right here. Yo, hold on. Alright, hold on. Alright, so we got the Rickies. Feel me? Not bad. I'm gonna try these on. Let me just lace them up real quick. Alright, so those are the Rick Owens. I'm not gonna lie, once this final piece comes in and y'all see this final piece, this is literally going to complete the outfit. Alright, and then we have these. I'm not gonna lie, they're already not looking promising out. Like, bro, what are these, bro? I'm over here thinking I'm about to get some rhinestones. This ain't even rhinestones, bro. This is literally just, bro, to be honest, I'm just gonna use these as storage shorts. It's a good thing that we did order those other shorts, bro, because I do not think we would be bagging a girl in these. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna show y'all them, bro. And then also, there's like fake pockets on the back. These, 0 out of 10, bro. I do not recommend anybody buy these. These were like a waste of money. Then we have this piece right here. I think you guys already know what this is. All right, so this isn't looking too bad. I'm not gonna lie. This is my first time ever wearing like a zip-up collar shirt. Quality isn't bad. I'm not gonna lie. Cause I actually like this. This is actually tough. This is hard for me. This piece was worth it. So I guess we basically paid $30 for this shirt. So now it's really a decision if I should put this shirt on or the I Need a Hug from a Bad Bitch shirt. But once y'all see these jorts, it's gonna complete the whole fit, and we gotta hurry up because in New York right now, we are almost out of summer. Alright, y'all, after all that waiting, finally the last piece is here. And I'm super excited for these because I already know they're going to be good. So let's just hurry up and open them up. Oh, okay. Hold on, yo, y'all see that? Yo, they're literally blinging, bro. Hold on. These are good quality, bro. We might have just saved the fit, bro. Oh God, look at the bling. Oh, what does that say? I don't know what it says. It says something island, bro. These are hard. Hold on, let me try these on. Alright, this is how they looking, bro. Yo, these are hard, bro.
I get these charge cards, granny, pray for me.
Hey guys, we just finished doing photos. I took his photos for him.
I'm not gonna lie.
Crazy.
Photo shoot, it wasn't bad, but for me, I'm gonna show y'all the pictures once I get back to the crib. Okay, so I have the pictures that we took right here. Before you guys even cook me, I am not the most photogenic person in the world. Let's just go ahead, open the first picture. This picture right here, I like this one, all right? This is most likely going to be the one that we go with, but the only thing is it doesn't show the shoes. So we got this one. I don't know what happened. I look like I was forced to take this picture. All right, I like this one. For me, it's giving a little, I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this one. I think we might go with this one, actually. I actually like this one. This one is not bad, not bad. And then we got this one. This one is pretty cool, too. I like this one as well. We're just going to go with this one. We're going to post this and just see what results we get. Hopefully this doesn't go